was for moment now about the background and same TV. So one more so like video, no best subscribe to the channel. No turn on notifications. Send me videos of this nature about one to my cabin. They hear me pay comment section one more. Because a money yes some more. Timo someone share margin. Na the mama report said that I no one. Me didn't the Mr. President. But we from Mr. President I met you so sir. Me pa to adaroma. Me mo gidi say nipa. Bia wa pomudi emu hia papa. Se nipa peso tumpon abrabo mu a bo ho ban free yade ho. Ko yade pene yade betima ba panya da na akwara. Yade ne yade a ebo wa obehu adofo no watamfo. Na yade de ye wo yade. Enu ntina yeru Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. One ne papa na adran kwakufo ado. Omakoma pa no mayemu ye banti. Ye 8 years in governance, we brought a project a friend Agenda 111. Mjidi sa mote. Yeah, be who said there be enyo bia na beti menye sika fa ka so okokolebu anoko 37 anoko fanoche. It was a city hospitals various endpoints are ebe ben nipa bia said bia your basic need, your basic assessment ebe health facility assessment. Ohune kwai oyanka beti mako hospital. Wason hospital, Okon hospital. O de onam kana take care udi pedem kwa beti hospital because yen ya ban and the NHIS eba so. Yen ya ban the free senior high school ba so. Yen ya ban inside Agenda 111 because ye ma NHIS free. Oko hospital be free. Agenda 111 ye ma hospital ya available amount. Na the capture to okrampa inside den say ye ma obi a free senior high say be nimde ni nyansa be dwale wo fi bia mu. E free say ye papa John Dramani Mahama ebesi aban mu. Ye free NPP ye free abam na ambulance ye adwuma Ghana ye 318 brand new ambulances. And you see am no ka say ambulance ye adwuma Ghana say aka 191 ambulance they operational. It you just say we are na so we do need to ambulance so ambulance in banu wo. Ko hospital be brady ase. When I was my head and say you're a Minister of Health say omuntimi repair those ambulances omo koto 500 new ambulances 500 new motorbikes na me pacho and name me ni bia ba no nipa ya na emergency see e dey tena motorbikes so na ko hospital e fa na sadu e hu bi na say ye proman ni yi e na nya krono e na NDC amanye ko peso mo buga na fo a e beba na say na ambulances over 200 ambulances asaya esifie no yen repair so ambulance need to be count rather than say you betika pudu e da koto new ambulance near jai old ambulance amene gu wana pro e ya bro na ebe yi because ambulance that you can say is here me pacho indeed 5 years cra na 4 years and 3 years cra e brand new ambulances for whatever reasons you want to be tempted to believe say ambulance na say do mo kan na say ambulance here can say ambulance ni pass say ya the best of mine you bit my say you better repair near to be aka ho energy improvement. Now this is the new ambulance they be replace old ones na asay no it's not as if old ones na say intimi repair a brand new ambulances fourth kit we be na ba ho it is nya krono na mo pese mo bo man na e be na say you betwa old ambulance na bo na yakoto new ones that be replace whilst we can take them to the various filtering shops near repair near to be aka ho. Me I'm smelling something fishy. You know say bibi nkoyi o baby. On say ya ye omo man marking nti munye baby am mokro no nfa. Nti baby anko fa adwen ko so no bokro no fa. They lie bad. Media megidi say ye pa oman ni ye pa de ye repair old ambulances no. Ne anko to bi meka ho. Ene chese ye nya blese be ye oman. Say etike pudu ne yeti yakoto new ambulances. Ne eja old ones. Na old ones ya in ya turn condemn and ya turn dey. Yes, some cramponi. Now, the person who be NPP for the Agenda 111 project and be ongoing, nearly completion. But what is the state of Agenda 111 CCA? Because when you say hospital be 80% completed, 90% completed, just some few touches near to equipment near functional. It's CCI ka say ye John Dramani man wo twa ban mu 1 year e ko 2 years e dey pan wa dey up to Agenda 111 project ye pese ye say Ghana for say me musa and also TV also radio obi ebu say agenda 111 akosi sen yewra John Dramani mama wo she Ghana for boss say so motoma wa adwuma yewra na dan kwakufu ado ene Dr. Lad Mahmoud Bawumia aye no obeto aso eti agenda 111 project na so boss obeto aso akosi sen dodo sen ni wetima wie Ghana for ya real Ghana for ene okokolebu a oko 37 oko konfanochia sebi still na nkofo ni bed amoda so Your mama, what about a fini a confirming a dear pan or added to your health sector? You perceive. Is in Yakasabu so working? To see a Yakasabu, a so working. Ghana food check a chat a jado. Ghana for bobbing. Almost 1 moment, almost almost 2 about Yura, ye baby. Maybe there's always say economy, baby be a basa crown or man for an end quantum pumudin era, young shaman saying. Because oko amamani amane kwampo isoi yade oje tokura bitima fumako insu to bitima fumako emu isoi yade ira mo politicians say mo ache musisi ya pam no fa flight na motu kwan ko amana nem ko hwemo yade maame na oti manso adubia ai manso adubia ne mankanso ne asante achema gogo achi ho baabi me pacho se one see hospitals ni bia ma no one equip hospitals na onye sika pudu emfa nko 37 military hospital onye sika pudu emfa nko Konfanoche teaching hospital onye sika pudu emfa nko ho teaching hospital iti do no so bitimi edi hu anante ho hospital kakra dia witimi si won kwanchen ba dia ma no na one equip hospitals no bitimi su dia na 1212 no so da hwese na pomudin ebe konkan na se wonya hwe amwase ayewra untimi mo no kro no yemma yeni ko ye health sectors no na no ma se wo hododo an emergency timi ba na doctor sakacho say yeni light an emergency timi ba doctor sakacho say e no ma ye be surgery kwa yeni bi intimo fa nko ba bi nipa ne nam konsa no wawu yewra ade enema many bia ba de sa no ma rekwa de was a little or no stories to be told and ngwase we de ensen fataye enkechi Ghana for say focus on the health sector because they don't see any prioritization towards our health service. Papacho, you're a health minister. What do you say? You are one of the worst health ministers of Ghana. Yenya. Shame koso health sector. The bianco for that from no more bob and day. It's even to know about
out of 318 now, and what honor. Emu 191 and a year juma. Let us say 127 a size young repair. What you say? You also more repair. Omokoto 400 new ones. No matter 500 motorbikes account at the Amman National Ambulance Service. Just say, what do you want? What's it? Now what is happening? What is really happening? And then drone center. 6 o se say no emu 2 ya close 2 na ya close no emu baako eye the constituency of the health minister now mamimbra Konfanoche hwe ema obia and I underestimate Konfanoche hospital no boa aboa Ghana mine especially the northern sector of Ghana. Also, Kolebuno serve the southern sector. What you say? Ha, na a hono. But the northern sector ha air kono dear, a Konfanoche and a serve you. It is all here. President Kofo time no. And what day, sir, a emergency center no, ebeka hua, helipad nyina, helicopter nyina ka hua, etimbesu na etimi ajini pankwa. And then there were other several projects. Akromfuo Dubai, and also ebe ye sa a cleft center bi na wo no. Yeah. What you say? Oh yes, sa oncology department. And sa na yere so ebe ye mother can say baby care unit. Yeah. Intensive median baba median baby and mother unit. No. Unit no so e wo ho. Emergency services no na omode so ano before say ye be ye pampani kufo be to aso ya exactly and sana eden a na can say maternity block no edan a edi over 43 years checking the integrity of the building no see na ho odi aba fam na efa nipa 500 akufado ebudani guya efa over 7 to 800 oti ase akufado time ena bibi efa no laparoscopy uni laparoscopy
w
process ya on say unzo bu unya problem wo yemu a agisi e ko bie yemu no ne a check de wo mu ne ade ba laparoscopy no ene say ya de camera no oyiba utie me ya de phone frumem na abeto screen so say so the doctors can operate on you not necessarily say ya de say kan air power yemu no ye wi ya pempam but ya de phone frumem ne ya hwe ya every surgery bia no a ehia say ye odasani
even say laparoscopy
yes ya the Ghana for doctors miensa free ha echo I think Israel and as there be Brazil and the question sade no omoba beye there were several interventions. I think it's a meals time and omo friend is eye center bi ewo our Confanoche. Na to Muhammad dem say blog ba kukura the only from 2012 ebesi 2016 kopim say net 2024 ya abepim 2022 only on two blog ba kukura wo Confanoche. Then came say yempe kwan a ye befa so a ye betimi ahyehye Confanoche edan na esi ho ache no yie. That is what brought Heal Confanoche project. Because a dino a check a here say be renovations near the day. They are improving it to a modern standard. That is why you bought Professor Ademensa Abaso. What you say? Say this initiative no e buy. Kase hwe yen hwe ne tutu ye niema yu entina ye this ade na ma no. De bia me bo so no one shany secret in one page mu origin mu ya ye dika hwe se wa ma obi agya de o ye bia no abetenase because papa ye free ahomte nti ye besre no se on kintiri no ho na on strength nyasem ketwa enre kwan e wo enhyeazu o nyina ya blocking ni nyina o hey 1 week kramponi o 1 week kramponi omu di to me man ye fankasa ei enya sem ketwa nro ye block ye nyina asem ye nya kwan emesi nkodi edwuma soso de a na fi se ye di ye ewa ha ti ye besre bibi Confanoche ensensem yeso me da bia me ka se health ye mfa ni agro health ya de a you say your health is your worth. What you say? Uwo nkwa uwade. Ena you say obisu benya wo a na free yare. Nana no mu kra no you say omu soye a o se mi soye yare. Fi say yare to wa. Oheba wa ben owu. Say yare to wa ben owu. Let say o end everything. O twa bibia so. And so and share di begu ho se ne be ya ebebua yen na se bibi sa no eba ye betimi a mitigate no e ya de a ehu hia papa enunti abandada no I was so happy say otimi hu say mo koye bibi e fre no Abuja declaration around 2008 2009 there Abuja declaration no ene say o mine no usika nyina ubenya no dedicate 15% to the health ministry na don kwa netimi e for fele sade no Abuja declaration na don kwa enetimi for fele sade no enti eyade wo se wutimi invest in the health sector a year sani ebeya ebeboa ma omanfo etimi enya saa kwanwo saa no eti I was not surprised, and I was so happy. Say, I buy MPP buy ambulances over 307. Ebeka existing one na ewo ho. Oti ase. I buy MPP no. Yamfa bibia kura ma. Aside hospitals I see Oti ase. The sadi beka ho agenda 111. Nene ubisa the status of agenda 111. You ask yourself, say, Aden, where lies the priorities of this government? Yefu on here say 1.7 billion. Yenya sika 1.7 billion dollars ya. Ebetimi a complete hospitals ya agenda 111. Ningina amana you operational. Ene yetimi nya 10 billion dollars. At the $40 so from 14 to 12 or 10 or 11. Then we say we are happy. And then the same ambulance American 17. One more than the report now na ya na ferry ana. No they are better